Madam, at the outset, I would like to appreciate and thank the government for the bold decision that has taken to talk clear position on this long-standing and sensitive issue and to bring this matter before this ACOS House. Madam, this question of uranium mining in Michaelia is not new. For decades, it has generated deep concern among our people regarding the land, environment, health, livelihood, and also the rights of our indigenous communities. Madam, this resolution must have an impact because this House will speak collectively and clearly on behalf of the people of our state. We know that uranium may be strategically very important. We recognize the importance of national development and interests. But for our people, indigenous people of Michaelia, land is connected to our identity, our culture, our livelihood, and also especially for our future generations. Madam, once the ecosystem is seriously damaged, no money can restore it. So once we are dealing with uranium mineral, the people naturally have concerns regarding the mining process, the waste management, water source, and the possible long-term consequences for our communities living in those areas. For many years, the people of Michaelia have expressed their opposition to uranium mining. Today, the government and this ACOS House take a united stand, united position. We must respect this democratic voice, which is the voice of the people. The people, see, Madam, one thing that I feel that the people, there shouldn't be made to feel that because mining is opposed, so no development will be there. I will come to that aspect. People there, those areas deserve good roads, deserve good health care, education, clean drinking water, even employment and other economic opportunities. Development should never be presented to our people as a choice between accept mining, no development. Then I mean to say accept mining, receive the development, or reject mining, remain on the development. So that shouldn't be the choice before our citizens. Michaelia is blessed with enormous potential in agriculture, horticulture, even fisheries, tourism, renewable energy, entrepreneurship, and other natural resources. I therefore support this resolution and urge this ACOS House to send a united and unambiguous message. The future of Michaelia must be decided with the people, not without people. So we inherited Michaelia from those who came before us, that means our forefathers, and we hold it in trust to those who will come after us, or our next generations. So, Madam, on this principle, I wholeheartedly support this resolution brought by our leader of the House against uranium mining in the state of Michaelia. With these few words, I resume my seat. Thank you.